All right, here's a good question. Illustrating Avogadro's law. So when you look at this question, it says they start with 12 gram sample of helium, and it occupies this volume, and then you've got a 24 gram sample, this time of neon, and they want to know what volume that's gonna occupy. So if I do my thing, P1 V1 T1 N1 P2 V2 T2 N2. I don't have any pressures, so we assume that they are the same. And same thing with temperature. So I've got V and N are the only two things that I can use. Now in the question they give me grams, so I can't use that. And they're sort of misleading because they have 12 grams and then they jump to 24 grams. And we know that gases, doesn't matter what type of gas it is, the number of moles of a gas occupy the same volume. So if I have 10 moles of helium, 10 moles of neon, whatever, they would occupy the same volume given a certain temperature and pressure. But here they give you grams. So you have to convert that. And you're sort of thinking, well, all I do is double, right? So 12 to 24 is 2. So I would need double the volume of a gas. But because these are in grams, you can't compare that. You have to convert them to moles. So let's do that first. So moles, let's do, of helium is equal to mass over molar mass. The mass is 12.0 grams. The molar mass of helium, I think, is 4 something. Let me pause and find that. Yeah, it's 4.04 or 4.00 grams. So if you divide that, it's a nice easy one. 3.00. Well, it's 4 grams per mole. Grams cancel. So I have, initially I have 3.00 moles of helium. And then, and its volume is 14.3 liters. And then I'm wanting to know what volume does another gas occupy. And really you can think of it as the same gases because gases occupy the same volume, moles of gases. So, and I've got 24 grams. So moles of argon are not neon. Neon are mass over molar mass, 24.0 grams, divided by, just a sec, 20.18 grams per mole. Grams cancel. So 24 divided 2018. 24 divided 20.18. 1.189. 1.18929 moles. Okay, 1.18929 moles. Okay, so now I can use Avogadro's law, and I guess Avogadro's law is looking at one particular gas and changing its characteristics. But because these gases occupy the same volume, I can just use the same law, V1 over N1, V2 over N2. That's Avogadro's law. I'm looking for V2. So V2 is V1 times N2 divided by N1. So V1, 14.3 liters, times N2, 1.18929 moles, divided by 3 moles. Moles cancel. Now I just multiply that out. So I'm getting 5.66897 liters, and rounding that to 3 sig figs, 5.67 liters. Has to be that one. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question. Again, when you're doing any of the questions, and it's nice to look at which law things are applying to, but you have to make sure that they are in the right units. So this one was in grams. First thing, convert it to moles. Then I can do my comparison.